Demonstrators take to the streets in several countries in support of the Belarus opposition. The exiled opposition leader Svetlana Tikhanovskaya told supporters in Vilnius that Belarus will not give up. We'll be speaking live to one of her senior advisors and friend of detained opposition journalist Roman Protasevich, also coming up. Vietnam is facing a surge of COVID cases blamed on a new variant that combines characteristics of those found in India and the UK.
Vietnam's health minister has said the country's fighting a new Covid-19 variant, which is a combination of those first identified in India and the UK. Vietnam has so far only recorded 47 Covid deaths, but is seeing a fresh surge in cases.
Sri Lanka is facing one of the worst ecological crises in its history following a fire on board a container ship. Protesters have taken to the streets in Brazil's largest cities to demand the impeachment of President Jair Bolsonaro over his response to the COVID pandemic. In Brasilia, thousands have gathered in front of the Congress building, calling for the president's impeachment and demanding COVID vaccines. Brazil has the world's second largest COVID death rate after the US. Nearly 500,000 people have lost their lives. President Bolsonaro says his opposition to lockdowns is designed to protect the economy. In Colombia, the President Duque has extended the deployment of military forces to a quarter of the country's provinces as anti-government demonstrations enter a second month. 10 people have died in overnight violence in the city of Cali. The protest was sparked by a proposed tax increase. The authorities in northern India say at least 22 people have died after consuming toxic liquor in the state of Uttar Pradesh. They said that the victims bought bottles of alcohol from licensed shops on Thursday but complained of illness after drinking it. The authorities have arrested 6 people and sealed 5 stores in connection with the incident. Thousands of people have demonstrated against abortion in the streets of the Croatian capital, Zagreb. Pregnancy termination is legal until the 10th week in Croatia, but 3 years ago, Croatia's highest court ruled the current abortion law was outdated. Human rights activists fear reproductive rights may now be under threat.